Good morning, everybody. It's the Mobile Home Mama. Nice, quiet Saturday morning. So I have something spectacular to show you guys today. I'm stepping into a Henderson, and this, guys, this is what our 2024 is going to look like. Exquisite, luxurious. The words that I could use to describe this home are amazing. 32 wides. We've got them in 3 different sizes, guys. I'm standing in a second bath right here, and this customer, wowzers, they've really got some great taste. Trimmed out mirrors, nice backsplash, subway tile to be exact, glass. Heading back down this very short hallway, we're coming to a spare bedroom, and look how big this closet is. I also would do a skirt and shirt rack in there. That's not really what I want to brag about. Oh my Lord, coming into the master suite. And I call this a suite because it is sweet. Look how big this master bedroom is. It doesn't matter which way I walk, you're gonna see some cool stuff. Okay, double doors leading into the ensuite, the bath area, and when I round this corner, you guys are gonna be in love. Nice window seat here with some storage. And when I flip this around, woo-hoo! We've got a retreat tub. So, could you soak in that, guys? Let me put some jets in it for you. Some storage over here. Hey, LED lighted mirrors. You can't see them because there's no electric. This one's ready to ship. Dual vanity. Coming over to a private commode. All the ladies love the private commode. And lots of storage here. I could do so many cute things with that space. Notice the drywall, exquisite, guys. We can do it big if you let us. And finally, the new Serenity Shower for 2024. Remember last year it was kind of dark with some browns? Well, we are taking it up. Let me go in here to a little bit of marbly look. This is a ceramic tile. Look, rain shower head. Side shower one. We've got a lever there, and I'm standing over in the corner. Look at all the space in here. Woo-wee! I decided I was gonna start showing you guys some double wides. Oh, I'm gonna make a walk towards the front. Look at that. Did I go this way? I don't know. Let me go this way, just in case I didn't. Here is the master closet. We added a window seat with a bench, and that's what I was talking about, the shirt and skirt racks. So there's that. And let me put a little pausey here because I'm going to take you to the other side. See you in a bit. And while I'm standing outside, I might as well show you what the customer did with the exterior of this home. They kept it very simple. They did do lineal trims in place of shutters. Got a transom window up there that's going in that little bathroom, but they kept it very simple with this New Brunswick color. So we saw a front entrance so far. Now I'm standing at the side. So a side entrance coming into the utility room. And here's one of those features I think is just classy. Well, a couple of them right here. Water heater door. Usually it's a panel with hex screws, but when you add that door, if you have access to it, it just takes it up a notch. And a wood panel cover box. $116 option, but I think it just screams classy. Turning around, we've got an L-shaped utility sink. Look how deep that is. Cabinetry up above. This customer definitely opted for hardwood. And I could see why they kept the outside kind of plain because, man, they put it all on the inside. Coming in through this utility door. And we've got a cold air return up there. Welcome to the ultimate kitchen. Here we go. I'm going to stand up. Well, we added another back door, but I'm going to stand over in this corner because I want you to get the full view of it. Look at that. Oh, hubba. We've got cabinets all the way to the ceiling. The ultimate kitchen handles right there. Drawers over doors. We've seen that option plenty of times. Over here, very conducive of the ultimate kitchen. You're going to see the microwave cabinet tower, which is going to have some pot and pan drawers. Convenience cabinet there to hide all of your blenders, stuff like that. I guess that's what that's for. Stainless steel appliances. We've got an island there. They've added the legs to an island, another feature that just classes things up. And another feature of the ultimate kitchen are these Beveled doors. Maybe hard to see in the video, but they're beveled. All right. Ooh wee! God, I get so excited when I get in one of these homes that is just, whew! All right, that's who we are. You know us. You know me, I'm the mobile home mama. Coming over to the stove area. In the ultimate kitchen, the oven part is gonna be built into the cabinetry with a stovetop built into the countertop. This customer did the backsplash behind the range, behind the hood, took it all the way up. Also full wall cabinets underneath the cabinets there. Over to this side, did the same thing there. A couple stem lights over the island, that's classy. Coming into the living area, threw a couple columns in. Hey! And then of course, all the packing materials always gonna be in the living room. Added a couple 46 by 61 windows to give it lots of light. And with the white colors, I just want you guys to see this. Ooh wee! Okay, there you go. There's your weekend taste of luxury. Give me a call, 260-383-1009. Come see me. We're gonna climb in and out of some homes. We're gonna look at some show homes that we have on display. And we're gonna sit and talk about your dream home. Go through the order form and we're gonna pick every little detail to make your home yours. This is not cookie cutter luxury, guys. This is designing your home that's built in a factory in temperature controlled environment with workers who are proud of what they build at a fraction of the cost that you're going to get from a builder. And here's the kicker. We can do this in 6 to 8 weeks. So Mobile Home Mama, my phone number is below. My email address is below. Again, I'd like to give a shout out to all the people that have been contacting me. It's going to be an awesome, exciting summer. Thanks for watching.